little wild nightingale I've heard rejoicing, for love in its own language, and it makes me die of envy, because the one I desire I don't see or gaze on, and I didn't want to hear it this year. But through the sweet song that it and its companions make, my heart takes a little strength, and I go comforting my heart in singing what I didn't think I'd do this year. And yet no gladness does anything I see give to my heart. And since I follow my folly, it's right that I should be this way, and that it should happen to me. Because through a foolish thought I let my joy go unenjoyed, from which I'm in suffering and have grief and harm. And I know in my heart that I've lost this year what gave me great joy, and anything that came to my desire. Though I lament my damage, my heart inclines and submits toward her who has the lordship over me. And it's right that it should be, for she could say no more when it came to parting. But I saw her cover her face, and she said to me, sighing, I commend you to God. And when I think in my heart of the loving look, I almost in weeping kill myself, because I'm not before her. My lady, who holds my heart as pledge, I beg, as one who begs for mercy, that she not have a flighty heart toward me, and not believe false gossips about me, or imagine that I turn toward others, for in good faith I sigh and love her without deception and without a lying heart. For I don't have such a heart as the false lovers have, who go around deceiving, and for this love turns to mockery. Never have I falsified my path toward her, to whom my heart gives itself, since I did her homage, and I have no heart to retreat ever from serving her, whoever it annoys or irritates. I am hers, and I can't leave her, little or much, for I ask for no other, nor is there in my heart anything I want as much. And so I seal it again to her, with joined hands, humbling myself. Song, I make you my messenger. Go now and unfold there where joy has its dwelling, to my lady who so pleases me that I can't part from it, for I die of desire. And if she deigns to welcome you, go reminding her now, and don't delay yourself of the worry in the heart that I send her through you, from which I die desiring, because I don't gaze on her in kissing. Lady Maria, you have such great worth, that all my words and my songs are of pleasingness, because of the great praise that I speak of you in singing.